Yo, hold on. Could you say that one more time? I didn't necessarily understand what you were saying. Just repeat it. Everything.
I was just saying, I just did a bunch of engine work on the truck, and I think it would be like a good bit, like I just want the boys to hear it, you know? I think it sounds really good.
Okay.
So like, I was thinking you could film me calling you.
Okay.
And tell you that I'm on my way over.
Okay.
And then I could like rev the engine to the background so they could hear it like over speakerphone.
Okay, so maybe they can tell you how the engine sounds or something.
Like maybe make it look like I don't know that you're recording, just like
That's
it'd be cooler that way.
That's exactly what I was thinking. Okay, man. I'm sorry, man. I love you. Ian, what's up?
Hey man, just calling to let you know I'm on my way.
Oh, you're on your way. Awesome.
Yeah, I'm on my way right now. Don't start filming it without me.
No, I won't.
Alright, cut. Did you get it? Did it sound good?
The engine? You're revving your engine,
Yeah.
right? No, I didn't. Ian, I didn't hear anything. I didn't hear anything.
You didn't hear anything?
No, nothing. Are you in your car? Did you put on your speakerphone?
Yeah.
Oh, no, I heard nothing. Just come over, buddy. We'll figure it out. Thanks, though. Maybe when you come, I'll show them your engine. There he is, boys. My guy. How's it going?
Okay, so we're already filming, and I don't even have the faintest inkling of what we're doing. You want to explain it?
There's a reason for that. Step back. Got a little surprise, buddy. It's gonna be a fun video, dude. Boys, what's up? Back in action. We're back to the... Check this out, dude.
What the hell is that?
Hydro dip.
Hydro?
Hydro dip. Did you say or dip?
What did you say?
I said dip.
Oh, okay.
You said
Oh, well, I thought you said hydro, and I was like, that doesn't sound like YouTube would be cool with that, but...
Anyway, Ian, what we are doing today is a hydro dip video, boys YouTube. First off, last hydro dip video we did, you guys seem to really like it, and I used to do a lot of customs in the past, and I took a good year break from them because it got a little bit old for me. I'd kind of been there, done that with everything. Now all of a sudden, hydro dipping videos that I did 3-4 years back and blew up a little bit from, everyone's doing now and blowing up more. So I'm like, dude, let's do hydro dip if everyone loves it again. Today we're hydro dipping Ian's sack. How's that sound, big guy? Just kidding, dude. Anyway, man. Huh?
You really want to do that? That doesn't...
Oh, I think it'd be hilarious. I'm not weird like that. I just think it'd be funny. Sure. Absolutely. Anyway, boys, today what I thought we would hydro dip, I went into my room earlier and I was like, what do I have too much of? And then I looked around. What do you think I had too much of?
Supreme?
Nice. There we go. I had way too much Supreme, and I thought we'd just take some expensive items, hydro dip them, and see how they turn out. Now, one thing, and I could be wrong, but one thing I've never seen hydro dip, because let's be honest, it probably won't work, which makes me want to try it more, is clothing. I've never seen any clothing hydro dipped. Once again, it might have happened, might not have, but we got some Supreme clothing. I want to try to hydro dip. I got a big pool in the backyard, and we're gonna put the hydro dip stuff on it, and then start hydro dipping things to make it really custom and worth more money, probably because it's done by Ian the cameraman.
Really? You think that I would make it worth more?
Oh, absolutely not. But if we say that, they might bid more. Just like it's kind of like just amping up your sales.
Okay, okay, I see.
It's like you want this, just like Uncle Sam's like we need you. No, he needed us.
Okay.
Anyway, before we get into that, guys, this video was brought to you by NameBranFam.com. Ian, do you want to tell them a little bit about NameBranFam.com?
Oh, yeah, it's really awesome.
Okay, so NameBranFam.com is our new website. Link is down below. You guys can get jewelry like this on there. Not real, but cheaper, which is free. You guys just gotta pay shipping. There's also phone cases, slides, pillowcases, Selena Gomez merch, or things with Selena Gomez's face on it, which is sick. Link is down below. Go check it out.
Honestly, can't go wrong with Selena.
You really can't. You really can't. No, absolutely not.
Can't have too much of that.
Oh God, can you not? Jesus. Alright, man, getting started. We've got all the materials we have right here to use. If you guys watched last video, we used this one. This is like a hydro dip film. So that's pink camo. The other one we have right here is flames, which I've actually never used before. So it's just got a bunch of flames on the paper right there.
But what even is this stuff? How's it supposed to work?
So generally with hydro dipping, were you with the video when I did it way back? Generally with hydro dipping, a lot of people like spray paint and stuff like that in water. Now what that does is you let it harden just a little bit, you dip whatever it is in, generally a shoe or something like that, then you pull it out and it just, it like captures that like sticky stuff on it.
So this is like some sort of crazy chemical that just sticks to
Yeah, exactly. So what we're gonna do right now is test it because we got like $2,000 probably worth of Supreme that we're gonna be dumping in this stuff. I really want to test it so I don't wreck this stuff, or at least do a good job of it. What we do apparently with this, I guess you put that on the water that we have right here. Boom.
Okay.
So it's in the water right here. Then we have some spray. This is like activation spray that honestly smells like nothing you've ever smelled in your life. Yeah, it's awful.
That is.
Yeah. Ooh, God, it smells like balloons, like the inside of a balloon.
Not really. But...
So we just let that set. This is what we do, and now we gotta test it. Do you want to just stick your finger? Just stuck your finger in it.
What?
No, we're not
Hell
gonna use
no. That stuff's giving me a headache. I don't want anything to do with that.
Okay, well, I'll stuck my finger in it.
Wait,
and
no,
if
that
it works.
I don't think that's a good idea.
Yeah, it's gonna be fine. I'm just gonna dip my finger in here just like this. And like coat
really
it.
Freaky.
Look at that, dude. So that's not how it's supposed to work. I think we left it for way too long. Yeah, way too long. Yeah, so it's okay. So we're gonna have to do a couple practices off camera, but that's kind of how it looks like a condom on my thumb. Oh God. Ian,
What's happening?
Ian. Oh my God.
What's happening?
Ian. Oh, it hurts.
Are you okay?
Oh, I don't think so. Ian.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay.
What
do I do? What do you want me to do? Like.
Oh.
Jesus Christ.
Ian.
What
are you calling?
What do you want me to do?
Ian, I'm joking. Don't. Who are you calling?
Oh, for f***'s sake, man.
I'm just joking. Who are you calling? Don't call me.
Well, no.
Give me your phone. Give me your phone.
Could you just give that back?
I'm joking, dude. It's totally fine. You're with your.
What?
He's got. Oh, I got you. He's with his mom on the phone. It says Brand needs H.
Well,
Thank you, bro. I appreciate that. I was just joking. Anyway, boys, we're gonna keep practicing on this and come back to you guys when it actually works. A little sweaty. Quick change of plans. Originally, we were gonna do this in the pool until I saw how much damage it did to that bowl that we just tested it on. Not happening. So I got this from downstairs to do it in this, and that filled up halfway before we figured out that there's holes everywhere in the bottom because the wheels are missing. So I just finished cleaning up the floor. Last thing we're gonna do, we just got a garbage can from outside. We stole it from one of the neighbors. Ian's filling it up right now with pool water, and that's where we're gonna be dumping it in. My guy. We need more though, right?
Yeah.
Do we? We definitely need more. All right, let's keep going. Boys, she's filled in. Let's go, buddy. Gonna try testing her out and get going. So, we got this right here. This is the first hoodie we're using, actually, by the way. We haven't even discussed that. Supreme box logo hoodie, 100% legit. Y'all can do your legit checks if you want to on your Hypebeast, whatever. I bought it off StockX a little while ago. I think this thing goes for like 1,000 to 1,500 now. I don't know, but the bad thing about it is I just got a bunch of black spots all over it. I think it's like dirt when I went bike riding or something. But anyway, Supreme box logo. Got some more stuff. We're gonna start with this. Actually, we should start with this. This one's kind of sick. We have this Supreme Arabic print. So this says Supreme, I guess, in Arabic, and it's green. Now that green would look good with pink, so let's try the pink camo with this green. How's that sound? I want to do this one first because I want that one to turn out half average.
Okay. I think half average is pretty.
Oh yeah, no, that's too much to ask, really. But I just like want to let the viewers know that we know what we're doing. We don't. Fudge! It's on my table. I built that. I gave it to my dad, and he died. Now I have it, and it's got pink on it.
That's heavy.
Think, Brad. Think. Okay, I'll clean it.
All right, we're just setting up the materials, and apparently Brandon doesn't know how to use a knife.
I tried to rip it. It doesn't rip. So we're gonna.
Well,
put this here.
it rips.
It's got to be flat as possible, right there. Now I think if it overlaps, it should be okay. I'll take like the flatter side, and basically all we do. Oh shoot. Well, I'll dip it right here. No, it doesn't matter. No. I can fix that. Perfect. As y'all can see, that's how it looks. We're gonna wait for it to flatten a little bit. It's gonna get out the kinks as it goes. But first, what we need to do is grab the magical spray.
Are you just spraying that in the air?
No, I'm trying to do salt there.
You're trying to do what?
Salt there. It's a meme.
Jesus, I wish you guys could smell that.
I think you give it a shake. A lot of people told me not to shake it, but then I watched a lot of videos. Damn, does that look
It wouldn't be so bad if it weren't for the.
Bad. You know what?
If it weren't for the
the rips, it'd be kind of cool.
Yeah, like if it was a solid piece.
Okay, we'll do a solid piece next. Oh. So get a close up, dude. Let's just go in and do it.
Yeah, let's go for it, man.
Real men stuff. Okay, good. That's not looking good at all.
If it went...
That looks awful, Ian. Don't even talk it up. It looks awful. Maybe it's gonna be only at the band. From here, I'll pull everything off, except for like this one big one, and it'll just be flames coming up.
Okay. Okay, I could see that, yeah.
Yeah, because I can't. Awesome.
Oh! So, what are we doing with this thing now?
It's garbage. What do you want to do with it? It's garbage.
Well...
Drag this to the shower, because it's gonna drip a lot. You drag this.
Oh, it's so much water.
Alright, let's...
Whoa!